Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Hollis Titanium Line Cutter. So this is a small and relatively safe line cutter, and as the name suggests, it's made out of titanium, which makes it very sort of lightweight, corrosion resistant, which is probably my biggest sort of benefit from this, and it's strong as well. So as you see, it comes in this neat little pouch. On the flip side, we've got a few different mounting options. So whether you want to mount it kind of vertically like that or horizontally, you've got a few different options no matter where you kind of want to mount it on yourself, whether you want to put it on a strap or wherever, you've got that option. Simple webbing pouch. We've got a Velcro kind of locking mechanism. Plastic D-ring just gives you something to grab hold of. Grab onto that, and this section is just that Velcro, so that's what it's going to sort of tie down. It's Velcro on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in. Underneath that, we've got a section of bungee, so you get a little bit of give for some reason, and that's just kind of a simple looped on. And then we get to the line cutter itself. So the first thing is that yes, it's made out of titanium, so when you first pick it up, it's noticeably light. You kind of expect it to be fairly heavy because it's metal, but because it's titanium, it's light. And we've got a few different, if I show you that side, we've got a few different cutting options. So we've got a cutting hook, so that's quite good for lines, so you can physically trap something inside of that, and then sort of apply some pressure. We've also got a serrated section, so it's a bit of a knife. You can do a bit of kind of sawing action to cut through something thicker, and yeah, it's very smart. It's not sort of quite sharp enough straight out of the box. If I try and cut this bungee loop, you have to put a surprising amount of effort to cut through something, but you can always sharpen that up. And yeah, because you've got that serration, if you've got something fairly thick, because of the way they've kind of shaped this section, you can grab hold of it and really saw through stuff. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. Because it's not sharp, and it's quite hard to get that cutting edge onto anything particularly flat, it's safe, so you're less likely to cut yourself or your own equipment. But for whatever you want to get that sort of sawing action on, that's kind of a winner for me. The only thing that I change, I try and make that cutting hook a little bit sharper for sort of thinner lines, so it's more of just a quick cut. But in the long run, actually, this is a winner because it's zero maintenance. With a lot of the stainless steel line cutters, if you forget to wash it or dry it between dives, rust forms really quickly, but with titanium, you never have to worry about it. And it comes in a fairly neat pouch, and very quick and easy to sort of lock it in. Doesn't matter which way, there's no fiddly mechanism to try and figure out or try and use gloves with. Even if you've got really chunky gloves, you can always grab that, and that'll come sort of really easily when you want to. So yeah, as overall, I kind of like it. Yeah, the only thing I change is I'd make that cutting hook a little bit sharper. I just put a steel across that and sharpen that up, but otherwise, yeah, I definitely like it. This is the Hollis Titanium Line Cutter. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.